everything's just super wet. Kind of dangerous to be driving in this weather, to be honest. Another beautiful day in Southern California. Well, I was gonna do pool day today, but I don't think that's happening anymore. So, plan B, I'm gonna go wash the cars. Let's get our day started. I already had my shower and cut my hair even. Gave it a little buzz. I need my coffee. I can barely function. So, let's make a good brew. Well, now that I got my coffee, I'm a little less hazy. Clearly it's not working yet, so just gotta keep drinking it. I did have plans to wash my car. The weather had other plans. We're gonna figure out what to do. Maybe cook some breakfast? I don't know. Oh yeah, there's a tsunami of rain coming. Well, we can beat the rain if we go to Palm Springs.
You can do an episode of running from the tsunami instead of running to it. So instead of tsunami chasers, you can do chased by tsunami.
Yeah. Might actually go and take the car out for a ride and see what's going on. Don't forget your mask. Safety first. Alright, we take our mask off safely now. And here we go. Cold start. Only downside of parking on the 12th floor is you have to drive down 12 floors. Funny enough, it's actually still raining. Yeah, everything's just super wet. Kind of dangerous to be driving in this weather, to be honest. So I think we'll just leave the drive for another day. We got a little tunnel here. Ooh, yeah. Sounds good. Like a high-revving V8. Get your blood pumping. This car loves the high RPMs. Really starts to shine past 5,000. This car does not like the Helix, I'll tell you what. Forget our things. Gonna grab our bag. Nothing like a little rain to ruin your day. Don't forget to lock your car. Learned that the hard way. Well, That didn't go as planned, but that's alright. Let's see what we got for breakfast. Got some eggs. Let's cook some food. Start. I don't know what happened to my pan. Bagel's done. It's toasty. What I like to do is put the cheese on the hot bagel so that it kind of melts a little bit. But you just have to be careful not to burn yourself. So all the eggs are pretty much done. So I think it's time to put them on the sandy. Now I like to do open-faced sandwiches, just because I feel like I get more value. I get my hot sauces though. This hot sauce here, this is pretty intense stuff. It's made with real ghost peppers. One little hint is all you need. You don't need much more. Just gotta be careful. Don't want to burn your esophagus or whatever. Well, I'm stuffed. I might take a nap. Woke up from the nap. It's still raining. So, that's pretty much that day. Thanks for watching, and we'll try this again next week. Hopefully we'll get better weather.